hello would you like to create a talking avatar just like me? I'm going to show you how to do it in the easiest way. You are going to need just your phone into app. You can't get on the Google Play Store or your Apple Store. Let's go straight into it.
So we're going to make use of Capcut and Dupdub, and it is completely free. So step one, creating the avatar. I'm making use of Capcut AI. So we're kind of like going to our Capcut now. So this is my Capcut. You can get Capcut on the Google Play. So click the expand there and press the text image to create our talking image. So we'll kind of allow it to load. So I'm like going to show you the prompt and how I created this type of photo that is going to be displaying this type of photo. So these are the prompts which I use. Create a male fair hair, skin and through the shining presenter, eyes facing the camera and on the table, a good home background, high quality 4K resolution. So these were the prompts which I use in creating our talking image. So I'm kind of like press the three button and print system now, which is for the YouTube thumbnail aspect ratio. So I click on it and I'll allow it to load. So right now it's loading. So kind of like bring other images. So let's wait for the images a little bit. So these are the images. They are like a little bit tight to the screen, so I don't want it to be so tight. So we're going to double click it and press upscale. So just take a look now, it's been upscaling. So now we are also going to upscale it again to drag it backward to make sure it doesn't look tighter to the screen. So we'll click again and press that the expand. So we're going to expand it and make sure that it doesn't look so blurred in the thumbnail. So this is I'm making use of my fingers to drag the crystal from the side and make sure that it fits the the background. So this is I'm going to allow it to load. You can look, it's saying sending, so we'll allow it to load. So right now it's loading. So yeah, there's the photo. They're so beautiful, but all is beautiful, but we have to make use of one. So I'm going to be clicking the one which I want to make use of. I'm making use of this one. I kind of like love it so much. So I clicked it and I'll allow it to load. So right now it's finished loading. So click the three small button that is at the left hand side and we'll save our image. So going forward, if you have watched this movie, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Step 2, animate the created avatar with Dupdub app. So this is our Dupdub app. So press the plus sign at the bottom and press upload your photo. We're going to upload that AI photo which we just downloaded from Capcut. So these are the photos. So I'm going to click one and allow it to upload. It's uploading, just give it a little bit time. So this is so click on next. So press add an audio. I'm going to be clicking add an audios and the AI voice over, that is the one we're going to be using. So these are kind of like voice. So we're going to be searching for any voice. If you are a female, you make use of a female voice. If you are a male, make use of a male voice. So I'm going to like search for the voice which I want to make use. All these voices I'm seeing, some are poor, why some are not poor. You understand what I mean by poor? Poor means that you have to
The
subscribe
story
to
begins
get
on a gloomy
access to
night.
the
Lonely
package.
stretch
So
of New
this is the
York.
free one. That one I just clicked. So I'm still also
The
going to
story
like
begins
search
on a
for
gloomy
more so
night.
that I don't make a mistake of the wrong voice. So I'm still searching, making my research to make sure that it's giving everything. So guys, please do it to subscribe for more. So press the space button on top and type something, type what you want the AI photo to say, just type it. Just make sure you type and press the generate and upload at the bottom and allow it to generate like it's generating already. So this is it. It has finished generating. So I don't want with subtitles because it's not free. So I kind of like so I was a bit notified that my credit was finished, so I have to look for more credits, and the only way I can get credit is by watching aid. So right now I'm watching aid to earn credits to download our AI talking filter. So I've generated it, so you
Easy it is
can
to
look at
avatar just
it.
like me.
It's
Is that just
processing.
how
So
easy it is to
this
create a talking
is
avatar just like me?
guys after processing. Thank you.
Yeah, is that
So
just
I
how
love
easy
it.
it is?
So I'm going to download it right now.
So if you don't like
So
showing your face in your videos, then use this talking avatar. If you enjoy these video up to this point, please leave a thumbs up, and if you want a tutorial, then drop a comment at the comment section, and also subscribe. So see you on the next one. Bye.